The asus ZenBook S16 OLED review. Design and build. The ZenBook S16 OLED features a minimalist and elegant design, highlighted by its ceraluminum finish, which provides a textured feel and resists fingerprints. Despite housing a 16-inch display, it maintains a slim profile at approximately 0.5 inches in thickness and weighs around 3.3 pounds, enhancing its portability. Display. Equipped with a 16-inch OLED touchscreen, the ZenBook S16 offers a 3K resolution, 2880 by 1800, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The OLED technology delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it suitable for content creation and media consumption. The glossy finish of the display can cause reflections, potentially affecting usability in brightly lit environments. Performance. Powered by AMD's Ryzen A9 HX370 processor, the ZenBook S16 delivers strong performance across various tasks, including gaming and content creation. The integrated AMD Radeon 890M graphics further enhance its capabilities. In benchmark tests, it outperforms some competitors. Battery life. The ZenBook S16 is equipped with a 78 watt-hour battery, offering up to 11 hours of usage on a single charge. While this is adequate for daily tasks, it falls short compared to some competitors, such as the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge, which offers longer battery life. Connectivity. The laptop provides a variety of ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type C with display and power delivery support, HDMI 2.1, a 3.5mm audio jack. Overall, this laptop is nice and you can use it very comfortably. Thank you so much.